In this video, I'm going to show you how to submit work on Upwork that is more than 25 megabytes. Now, what I recommend that you guys do is use an external third-party service in order to do this. So I personally recommend using Google Drive, and basically you're able to upload your project that is more than 25 megabytes over to Google Drive, but then you're able to put in the link from Google Drive onto your Upwork project. So what you want to do is you want to open up a new tab, then make sure you are signed into your Google account, then press over here where it says Google Apps. Then you will see this option that says Drive. Please go ahead and select on it. Now, what you guys are able to do is you're able to go ahead and press on this button that says New, and then File Upload, and then you can go ahead and upload the file from your PC, or if you already have one here, you are also good to go. So you guys could also select over here where it says Recent, and then you're able to find all of your previous projects and stuff that you put on Google Drive. So let's say for this example, we wanted to go ahead and share this project as our submission. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and go over here to where it says Share. Then you want to, and then over here where it says General Access, make sure that it says anyone with a link. And then you can go ahead and put viewer, commenter, or editor. I personally recommend putting it on editor right over here. So just go ahead and do that. Then press on copy link and then done just like so. And then now you want to go back to Upwork, submit your work like you normally would, and then just paste it in with your submission message. And from there, the client is able to go ahead and take a look at it and stuff like that. I recommend that you directly tell the client like, hey, your project is here on this Google Drive link, and that will just make the process significantly easier and faster. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.